Welcome to this guide on even and odd functions. Today, we will explore symmetry properties in calculus, specifically understanding the relationships defined by f of negative x equals f of x and f of negative x equals negative f of x. Before we dive into the algebra, let's understand symmetry visually. There are two main types we care about. First is y-axis symmetry, where the graph looks like a mirror reflection across the vertical line. Second is origin symmetry, which means if you rotate the graph 180 degrees around the center point, it looks exactly the same. Let's define an even function. The mathematical definition is simple. If you input a negative x into the function, you get the same result as if you input a positive x. In other words, the sign of the input does not change the output. Here is the classic example of an even function, y equals x squared. Notice how the graph is perfectly symmetric across the y-axis. The point -2, 4 is a mirror image of the point 2, 4. The height is the same on both sides. Now for odd functions. The definition states that f of negative x equals negative f of x. This means if you input a negative value, the output flips its sign as well. It becomes the opposite of the original value. A perfect example of an odd function is y equals x cubed. This graph has symmetry about the origin. If you look at the point 2, 8, its pair is -2, -8. Both the x and y coordinates flip their signs. How do we check if a function is even, odd, or neither without graphing it? We use the algebraic test. Step 1 is to substitute negative x into the function. Step 2 is to simplify using algebra. Step 3 is to compare your new result with the original function. Let's try an example. Consider the function f of x equals x to the 4th power minus 5x squared plus 4. We replace x with negative x. Since both powers are even, the negative signs disappear. We end up with the exact same function we started with. Therefore, it is an even function. Now let's look at f of x equals x cubed minus 4x. We substitute negative x because the powers are odd, the signs flip. We get negative x cubed plus 4x. If we factor out a negative one, we see this is exactly the negative of our original function. Thus, it is an odd function. It is helpful to know how these functions interact. Multiplying two even functions or two odd functions always gives an even result. Multiplying an even by an odd gives an odd result. For addition, adding two of the same type preserves the type, but adding an even function to an odd function results in no symmetry or neither. In calculus, symmetry can save you work. If you are integrating an odd function over a symmetric interval from -a to +a, the answer is always 0. The negative area below the axis cancels out the positive area above it. To summarize, even functions are like x squared, symmetric to the y-axis, and f of negative x equals f of x. Odd functions are like x cubed, symmetric to the origin, and f of negative x equals negative f of x. Most functions, however, are neither.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.